I think I'm on the wrong ear, first off. First things first. Rest in peace, Uncle Phil. For real. You're the only father that I ever knew. Gonna get my bitch pregnant. I'm gonna be a better you. Talk to a friend. One time for my LA sisters. One time for my LA. Okay. 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 So I might look like trash, but I put on earrings for you. So if that's not effort, then I really don't know how to please you people. So, okay. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Birthstone. Today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, is going to be a fun one. It's the next installment in my Birthstone series, and it is the Topaz gemstone, which is the gemstone for November, which is my birthstone. And I'm going to be doing the gold natural, like mustard toned topaz shade, because that is the shade that I always identified with growing up. My mom got me a ring when I graduated, like elementary school, maybe junior high, and it was a heart with two little stones around it. And it was a topaz heart, and I still have it, and it's in my jewelry box, and maybe if I get unlazy, I'll try it on and show you guys if I can find it. I know I have it. I should find it. My mom's actually here right now. She's here because she's going to be watching my dog and my cats while I'm in Hawaii, so if she knew I don't know for sure where it is, she probably wouldn't be very happy. But yeah, so that's what this video is going to be about. I'm going to be using the ColourPop Honey palette because I bought it forever ago and never used it. Just like with the Strawberry Shake palette in the tourmaline tutorial that I did for last month. Bought this, never used it, except for like once for one shade, and I somehow got concealer all over it. So if you like hearing cars go by, or like this video idea, or just like me, give it a like if you would like, because I would like to know what you like. And of course, subscribe to my channel, join the Brat Pack. We put out new videos here every week, and they're pretty good. If you like makeup and socially awkward individuals, then this is your place. So, but anyways, I think it's time we just go ahead and get into this video. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to see me do a Topaz inspired makeup look with the ColourPop Honey palette, just keep on watching. Okay guys, hello. Welcome to the closeness of my face. I'm so excited to have you here in my everlasting, unique human experience. So let's go ahead and put some makeup on, shall we? Yes, we shall. So in case you haven't seen the Honey palette, this is it right here. Very pretty yellow mustard tones. And if you haven't seen a raw natural topaz, I'll throw it up here as well so you can have an idea of what we're aiming for, and I'm sure you can see how dish could easily be dish. You know what I mean? Like it's gonna work. It's gonna be good. And I think we should just do it. I feel like it's gonna be very pretty. I'm a big fan of yellow toned eyes. I was gonna switch to a yellow shirt to go with it because I'm seriously dedicated to like the look, but I did my base first, and this is a white shirt, and I just bleached it, and I don't want to ruin it again because it's one of my favorite shirts. You've probably seen it in many videos if you've seen any other videos. Okay, I'm actually going to start with the deepest shade in this palette and go right here with Buzzkill, and we're going to start there. Okay, I'm going to start in the middle of the eye, and I'm going to work back and forth into the crease. We're going to be doing a rounded look today, so I'm going to bring it down on both sides. This palette doesn't really have very many deep shades. Well, it has 0 deep shades. This is the deepest shade, and as you can see, it's not especially deep, so we're gonna have to build it up a little bit. But it is super pretty. So that's what we have right there. Super pretty. I am a fan of that shade. Okay guys, I just want to note, if it doesn't look totally blended, it's not the shadows, because ColourPop shadows work really well. My eyelids are so raw. Are so raw. If you haven't seen, I've been posting a lot of like cool photos of makeup on my Instagram that I've been doing in the last couple weeks. I'm gonna be putting some here. This is why I'm doing all this information, is here's some of those photos here. And though beautiful and wonderful and inspiring as it has been of an experience, it has taken a toll on my eyelids from the application removal. I did a lot of these in the same day, so my lids are going through it. Now I'm going to go in with a little brush, and we're going to go in with Oh Behave. Oh Behave. I loved Austin Powers when I was younger. Did anybody else love that? I remember being a teenager and I would like to smoke weed and watch Austin Powers. Anybody else? Nobody else? Just me? Got it. That looks really pretty. Those two colors blended together are really pretty. Okay, I do have to go in with another palette just because I do need something deeper. Do I want a warm deep? I guess probably. Wait. You know what? No, let's go in with a neutrally deep shade. I'm going to take the shade Stoned. Yeah, Stoned from So Jaded. English is hard. Okay. I'm going to take it on a flat brush, and I'm going to hit the outer corners and the inner corners, and I'm gonna tap them on like that. Okay, that looks real good. Now I'm gonna go back into the first shade, Buzzkill, and I'm gonna blend over the edge. of that. Really work those colors in together. Okay, let's do the lower lash line before we cut the crease. So for the lower lash line, I want to take Buzzkill, of course, and I want to run that all under the lower lash line. Okay, and I'm going to take a little bit of Stoned again. And I'm going to hit the outer and inner corner of the lower lash line. Just like a little. Very little. We don't need it to be too crazy. We just want like a rounded little eyeball. Yeah, like that. Ooh, yeah. Okay, and now I'm actually realizing I don't think I'm going to need to cut the crease. I think these shimmers should be sufficient to halo this out without cutting the crease, so that's cool. That's good. I'm going to start first by taking Queen Bee here and putting it towards the outer corners to make it easy to blend into the lighter shade. Ooh, oh my goodness. A little bit over stoned. Yeah, so it just made it like a deeper shade of this gold, which is really pretty. Ooh, yes. I like that a lot. Okay, now let's take Dandy. Ooh, wait. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Let's pop that right in the center of the eye. Bring it up to that crease. Now blend those two shades together with your finger. If you want to use a brush, you can, I guess. But ooh, yes. That, yes. Ooh, girl. That was my RuPaul impersonation. Please don't judge me. I am not RuPaul. And what? That looks so frickin' pretty. Okay, I'm also gonna take Dandy and I'm going to put that into the center of the lower lash line. Okay, sorry for not letting this look especially appealing, but it's a little bit challenging, as I'm sure you can imagine. Yes. That looks nice. Okay, highlight the inner corners. We're going to take Sunburst, that one. Ooh, that has got a cool undertone. Like a grainy gold almost. I like it. Throw a little bit of that on top of this one. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. I gotta clean this up a little bit because I got a little messy. Let's fix her a bit. Let's deepen up a little bit on the outer corner and inner corner. Since it got covered a little bit by that shade, we still want that deep. There we go. That looks so cool. Okay, and now I'm going to break all the rules. And I'm going to take Palooza, which is not an eye safe glitter, so don't do as I do as I say. Wait. Yeah, do as I say, not as I do. I say don't use this, but now I'm going to use this, and I'm going to press that right in the center of the eye. I'm tapping off the excess all over my hand because I don't want it to fall into my eye and slice it open and I go blind. But now I'm going to press it right down the center. That's so pretty. I'm sorry. I mean, it's not. It's not. Totally not a necessary step. Totally doesn't make the look. Nope. Look at that. Too much. Too much. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some mascara, some eyeliner, and a lip, and I will be right back to show you the completed look. So, 1 second. Okay guys, so that completes this look, this makeup look, and can you believe it? I have freaking lashes on. Do you see these things? I feel like I could literally, like if I blink hard enough, I could fly away. Am I still here? I'm still there. Major respect to lash girls, because this is terrible. How do you do this all the time? This feels so weird. But I put them on. These are those Lily lashes I tried to put on last video in Gaia or whatever. These are them. My mom's here, so she had lash glue because she is a lash girl and she wears them every day. I mean, it looks cool, but man, it feels weird. And this lip is Taurus by ColourPop. Might as well keep it in the ColourPop family. So anyways, guys, that completes this video. This is my final makeup look inspired by the Topaz, which is my birthstone, which is November's birthstone. So if this is your birthstone also, happy birthday. Late birthday, early birthday. We made it another trip around the sun. We're still here. Somehow we manage to still be here. And I'm sorry that this lighting is not great. Like, I'm seeing that, like, it's not great right now. I don't know if it was like this through the whole video. I can't seem to make it less shitty today. It's the changing of the season. I need to work on my lighting situation again. Hopefully you didn't mind that too much. If you liked this final look, or you liked this video or anything about it, again, give it a like if you like, because I would like to know what you like. If anything, I deserve a thumbs up for putting on these dang bird feathers. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love to have you here. I love to have people here. And if you want to follow me on my other social media to see all my creative makeup looks that I don't do videos on, Birthstone. If you'd like to watch me on my journey to lose 100 pounds, Birthstone. And okay, that's it. Hope you liked it. Thanks for hanging out. I really appreciate it when you could be anywhere else. I think it's pretty tight that you're here. Don't know why you are, but I'm glad that you are. So, hope to see you next time. Bye.